This video I'm going to show you how to check private key on Coinbase Wallet. So let's get started. Once you open your Coinbase Wallet, what you need to do is click on this. Once you click on this, the next thing you need to do is click on this, see the settings jar icon. After that, click on your wallet. When you click on your wallet, sorry guys, click on your wallet. Once you click on your wallet, you're going to see recovery phase. Click on recovery phase. Once you click on recovery phase, just put your fingerprint. Once you verify your fingerprint, it's going to display your recovery phase. There you're going to see all your recovery phase. If you want to write it down, you can write it down, and if you want to copy it, you can copy it for future sake. So guys, we found this video helpful. Smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.